Have you ever struggled numbering messy Excel data? If the answer is yes, then you are watching the right video. In this video, I'll show you how to number complex data sets effortlessly. So let's begin with our first example. In this example, you can see I have some text-filled rows and some blank rows. And I want to number only those rows that contain text. Okay, so how can we do this? We are going to use the if formula. Now let's place if and let's put the condition that if the cell is not equal to empty, then use count A and let's fix the reference, okay, and then let's keep the second option open. Count A basically works like a counter. It will begin from D4 and then keep adding the text filled rows. And let's place comma again. And here we can say that if the row is empty, then leave it empty again. Close the bracket and press enter. Now let's drag it downwards and here you can see that we get the desired serial numbers. Now let's move towards another example. Here you can see I have text-filled rows, but there are some rows that contain headers and I want to number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and after header I again want them to be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to do this, select blank cells, okay, then Control G. From here, go to special and select blanks. Now you don't need to click anywhere. You just go to your keyboard and start typing equal to and give the reference of this row number. Okay, that is our D3. So I'm going to type D3. Close the parenthesis, add plus, add 1. Okay, you are not supposed to press enter here. Rather, go to your keyboard and press the control key and without leaving it, press enter. And here you can see that we get our desired serial number. So I hope you like this trick. In case you want to insert simple serial numbers, we have a shortcut of it as well. Type 1 in any cell and then press Alt H F I S and you will see this window. Okay, it allows you to enter number rows wise and it allows you to enter number column wise. I am going to choose column wise because I want to see my number in columns. Okay, let's say we need 100 serial numbers. So enter here step value 1 and let's type 100 and press OK. And here you can see you will get the serial numbers in seconds. So if you like the today's video, then don't forget to hit like, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.